Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
5 ways to avoid getting fat in lockdown. Quarantine choices. With the world reeling in from this tragic pandemic, Amphan cyclone, locust attack, and what not, we are bound to stay inside our abode and follow the protocols instructed by the government. During these times, people who were into fitness and health are also getting worried. The gyms are closed and you are not allowed to get outside. It can't get any unpleasant than this. We will talk about how to avoid getting fat. Even if you are an average man with not much fat, must be worried about all the rest you get and no work of the body, no movement, no walk in the park or no walk to your office, no playtime with your friends, getting all worked up playing cricket or your favorite game. With not much of a body movement, even an average guy may seem worried about putting on some unwanted weight, fat, and getting lazy. Today we'll talk about how not to get fat during these lockdowns. 5 ways to avoid getting fat. Number 1. Don't bring food in your bedroom. If you bring food in your bedroom, there is no way you would be able to keep your hands off it. Make it a point to leave your bed every time you have to eat. If nothing else, your laziness would prevent you from overeating. Minimum physical activity and hogging on anything you lay your hands on is certain to outcome in weight gain, and none of us want that. It takes more than self-control to avoid overeating. While we are physically distancing ourselves from the world, most of us are turning to food for friendship. Lockdown has achieved to cause lots of free time, causing binge eating while binge watching our favorite shows on Netflix. Number 2. Drink lots of liquids. In this humid weather, it is important to stay hydrated for good health, and it will also keep you full. So drink lots of water and if possible, also have lots of juices, smoothies and lemonades. Try water over some fruits though, because lots of fruits will also contain lots of sweet stuffs busting your belly fat wide open. Number 3. Practice slow eating. One advantage of lockdown is we have more time in hand. So no more hurried mornings or quick office breaks. You can finally eat your food peacefully, taking your own sweet time. If you chew your food properly and eat slowly, you will end up eating less food. Also, you will feel full for a long duration of time. Number 4. Calm the mind. Meditate to avoid getting fat. If your reason for weight gain has been stress, you need to calm down and improve your flexibility. You need to support yourself through the tough times ahead. Try some simple breathing exercises or do some yoga within your house. It is definitely worth trying. Even just listening to music you love and relaxing can help you de-stress. Number 5. Keep in check the weight in different parts of your body. If you find yourself having weight in the belly, it usually means that you have higher cortisol. In that case, work on your stress as mentioned in the above point. If you have weight gain in your hips, then it might be due to estrogen dominance, in which case you should work on hormonal balance through stabilizing blood sugar and eating more healthy fats. If you have weight gain in your upper arms, it might be because you have challenges with your lymphatic system, in which case you should work on having more movement and exercise. Do some workout routines that you can simply follow on home without having to go outside. At last, conclusion, monitor yourself. We believe in results. We like to accurately measure and evaluate responses to lifestyle choices. To settle, it is possible to maintain our weight with a few lifestyle choices during this period of lockdown. After all, what we gain in these few months of lockdown may take years to lose. Moreover, it will keep you stress free and fit so that once the lockdown ends, you can get back into your normal life fitter than ever.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.